Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on a school Chromebook. Many school Chromebooks have strict security settings that prevent direct game installations. However, by enabling the Linux development environment, you can open up new possibilities for running applications. This process is generally safe, but it does require your device to support Linux and potentially some permissions. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to enable the Linux development environment on your Chromebook. Navigate to your device's settings, usually found by clicking the time in the bottom right corner. Look for the Linux development environment section and click Turn On. The system will guide you through the setup, which involves creating a username and allocating disk space. This step is crucial for running Minecraft. Once Linux is set up, open the terminal application from your app launcher. You'll then need to download the official Minecraft launcher, specifically the Debian or Ubuntu version, from the Minecraft website. Save this file to your Linux files. Finally, use a command like sudo apt install /Minecraft launcher, deb in the terminal to install the game. This will get the launcher ready for you. With the launcher installed, you can now find and open Minecraft from your Linux applications folder. Log in using your Mojang or Microsoft account, and you're ready to play. Remember that performance can vary based on your Chromebook's specifications. For more tips and to find other great deals, including a fantastic e-reader for all your reading needs, make sure to check the description below. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.